Detectives is filmed on location in Podunk County.
Good afternoon.
All right, Taryl. Tell us what he's being charged with.
We got a report of a missing 42-inch Craftsman lawnmower. Last seen mowing your property around 2:30 p.m. last Friday. Upon searching your property, we found the dismembered remains of that lawn tractor. Now, all indications point to you.
You got nothing on me, alright? You can't prove I did anything.
Look, scumbag, we got hard evidence. We found dismembered fenders, a hood, part of an engine block on your property. Good luck explaining your way out of that one.
Just look at the photos. Maybe this will jog your memory. These were found on your property.
I don't know what you're talking about, alright? I'm not saying another word without my lawyer, okay? Don't you guys got something better you could be out doing with your time instead of worrying about me with a couple lawnmower parts on my property buried?
Ha! Yeah, you would think so, wouldn't ya?
Junior, Senior, stolen lawnmower in progress. Chief wants you on it. ASAP.
Well, tell the chief in a minute. We're in the middle of something here. I almost got a confession.
It's very important. Stolen lawnmower.
No, this is more important. You're breaking up my file.
Whatever.
Get out of here.
Whatever.
Look, we know it was you. We followed the trail of motor oil to your shed.
I did nothing of the sort.
That's probably where you dismembered the tractor.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think so.
No.
We got a lot of evidence here against you.
You got nothing on me, alright? Why don't you boys go for a walk or something?
You don't want to talk? I'll get you to talk.
Don't taste me, bro!
Still don't want to talk, huh? I'm going to get lunch. Think about what you want to tell me when I get back. Come on,
You better listen to him. Don't make him mad. Junior, hold on a second.
what is it?
You can't be doing that in there. The chief is already breathing down our neck. We gotta do this by the book. You can't be doing that stuff to that guy, tasering him.
Shut up. I'll do things my way. You want to let this guy walk when you know he did it too? We're doing this my way.
You're a loose cannon. Pterodactyl here, and today's how-to is gonna be on this here Stihl trimmer. All right, say you got one of these trimmers, and it's got spark, it's got compression, and it won't start. You're pulling and pulling and pulling, you're trying a new plug and all that stuff. Well, this could be the problem. Okay. The problem is right here. This spark arrestor. 15mm socket. Take it out. All right, this is a spark arrestor, and it's got a little sock on it, screen. And this is so sparks don't shoot out of the muffler and start a forest fire. So you have two choices. You can clean this or you can cut it off, but I wouldn't cut it off because you might start a fire. So what happens is this gets plugged with carbon deposits. And the reason it gets plugged up is because most people, when they run a weed eater, you don't run it at full throttle. You're running it at half throttle or idle, and it's not letting that two-stroke engine burn the fuel efficiently. Because like on a chainsaw, when you run a chainsaw, you run it wide open all the time. They got spark arresters too. They usually don't clog up, but weed eaters more often. So you can grab a pair of pliers, and if you got a torch, you burn all that carbon off of there. Because what this is like, this is when this gets plugged up, it's like sticking a potato in the tailpipe. So if you got a weed eater that ain't running, or it's losing power slowly and it eventually has no power left, this is one thing you're going to want to check. Spark arrestor. See? Now it's all clean as a whistle. Now if your weed eater didn't run, you may want to start it with this out, because it may be all flooded and backed up because this thing has been plugged. So start it, get it running. You might have even fouled the spark plug. You might have to put a new plug in it. But if you pull this out and it's all clogged up and you can't see through it, this is the problem. And again, there's your dinner. Hey, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh, keep that other guy away from me.
He's gone. He went to lunch. Are you ready to talk?
Yeah.
All right, come on, sit down.
Just don't hurt me.
Let's talk.
Just don't hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you. He's gone. He went to lunch. It's just you and me now. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk about this. All right. All right. Are you ready to talk now? Are you ready to come clean and tell the truth?
Yeah, I'm ready to talk. All right. I went to change the oil on it because it looked like it hadn't been done in a while. As I was changing the oil, I noticed the dipstick drain was loose. So I went to go tighten it. And as I was tightening it, I thought with what is the snug grip I had on there, and I put too much torque into it and stripped it out. Oil just began to gush everywhere. I couldn't stop it. I didn't know what to do. I was so scared.
Okay, and then what happened next?
So after it bled out, I dismembered all the good parts off of it and sold them. And then I took what was left and I buried them in a corner of my property, hoping that you guys would never find it.
Is there any chance that we're going to recover any of them parts?
No. I sold them to a scrapper in Iowa.
Was it Knucklebuster Allen? Was it Knucklebuster Allen?
I don't know.
You sicken me! You're a sick individual! And I'm gonna make sure that we put you away for a long time! You know what? Fuck him! Get him out of here!
Get up, scumbag. Hands behind your back.
No!